This will be the biggest project of our lives. It's a lot of pressure, but we're determined to make a difference.
Erin, how do you eat a whale?
One bite at a time.
One bite at a time.
It's a long life.
Oh, wow.
So cool.
Wetumpka is located in a really unique part of Alabama. The town is surrounded by the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains and by the nearly 300-mile-long Coosa River that runs through it. It is so beautiful.
So the biggest struggle living in a small town is also one of the greatest things living in a small town. It's that everyone knows everyone.
I know you and you know me.
Exactly.
Look at the little girl.
Hi.
Hey. Welcome to HGTV.
Aw, thanks, y'all.
In the 60s, it was real busy. There wasn't no room on the sidewalks. Really didn't get messed up till they put the 231 bypass around the city. That's when it started going downhill. There's no business.
The residents of Wetumpka were determined to rebuild over the years, and just as they regained momentum, the town was hit by a devastating tornado just 2 years ago, wiping away much of their progress and stopping them in their tracks.
Right now, we are going to meet some of the townspeople of Wetumpka, Alabama, to surprise them with something that they have no idea about, that they are getting a big renovation. The Moody House and Tap 18 are our first big projects in Wetumpka, and we really need to get them right.
We only have 4 months to do this, so we decided choose the people who are the biggest catalysts for change in all different areas and aspects of the city. We're on our way to see Casey and Ray Moody.
And everybody has told us how great they are.
That's gotta be it,
No.
because it's chippy and white. That's him.
That's him.
They have no idea that we're surprising them. I guess we're doing it. We're just gonna do this right now.
Hey.
Hi!
How's it going?
I feel like we've caught you at a bad time.
We recently moved to Wetumpka. It had that small town feel to it. A very friendly town. We wanted to raise our kids here and help out the community.
Parker is our 5-year-old, and then we have Oliver, he's 3, and then we currently have 2 foster children, and we are licensed for 2 more.
Hi!
Hey.
You wanna go meet him?
Hey!
Parker is dying to meet Ben.
What's up? Oh my goodness, bro.
I'm just speechless. You guys are here.
You're the ones who lead the way in changing a whole community. We wanted to visit about that, but mostly we wanted to tell you that we're gonna renovate your house. We're gonna do it.
We're gonna fix up your house. Is that cool?
Is that cool?
We're renovating the Moody's house because they are foster parents. And what they're doing is teaching every child that passes through their door about generosity and love. It's gonna be this generational ripple effect of helping in their community.
So what does it need?
It needs paint, because some random guy keeps telling me I need to scrape my house and paint it every time I'm outside.
It looks lime washed.
Some areas, yeah.
When we first bought this house, the first thing I said had to go was the columns in the carport, flake paint everywhere, and I painted them since we moved in.
Can we look at the kitchen?
Yes. I've never lived in a house with a new kitchen.
This is
A small kitchen.
kind of small, yeah.
It's a little cramped right now.
So I can't imagine cooking for 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids, up to 6 kids.
And everybody wants to help, so it gets really crowded.
Do you wish the bar area was there or not there?
Not there.
It would be great if you could get rid of that post, that corner, that whole thing.
Okay. This is a huge room. I'm jealous of this room.
This is a huge room.
It's bigger than our bedroom.
Way bigger. Is it bigger than
ours.
your room?
Yes, it's bigger than ours.
It is, yeah.
Well, you need it to be. I mean, especially if there are going to be multiple kids sharing it, then it makes sense that you use the biggest room for them.
Yes.
This is more of a focus for you than you.
Yes. I want to be able to help families reunite and be able to get back together to where they belong. You know, to be able to be a small part of that is just We love it.
She's super mom.
Gonna make me cry.
What we learned in Laurel is when you're overwhelmed with so much work to do that you don't really know where to begin,
Put a mural up.
it boosts the morale right
People
out of the
think
gate.
something's happening.
Yep.
When we first moved back to Laurel, it was rough.
Started putting murals on every blank wall I could find in town, and before you know it, it looks loved and like a place people want to visit. This wall is super visible. You can see it from a lot of different viewpoints in downtown Wetumpka. And so linear, it's just like a mile-long building that's just ugly, and it needs to be something special.
Some of the biggest builders and stars in design are gonna be coming to lend a hand,
This is such an amazing movement.
It is.
helping us on these first projects here in Wetumpka. Dave and Jenny Mars are gonna come down from Arkansas. That's just one more state over. Another neighbor of
We're
Mississippi.
forming a chain of holding hands to
That's
help each
right.
other.
Yeah.
Excited to finally see it.
I know. Oh, it's so cool.
It's a really cute house. Looks like it hasn't been painted yet, so that's good. I know that
Yeah.
was on my list from Erin. Got to pick a paint color. It's a lot of paint. It's
Lot of paint.
It's a lot of surface area.
It's a
If
lot
you
of
mess
paint.
it up,
There's no
you're
going
in
back.
big trouble. This is the very first house in this entire town renovation. So everyone is going to drive by and see this house. So the outside needs to be perfect. The top one I think would be like you're on a beach. Middle, cottage, cozy.
Comfortable.
Yeah. And the bottom one I think is a little too bold for this house. I'm going middle.
Erin, this is the one.
So at the Moody's, the dormers on the roof, currently they're vinyl siding. And we really can't paint the vinyl now because it would peel off. So Ben and Erin had come up with this design to put real cedar shakes on the dormers. I think it's gonna be a pretty cool idea because they're putting cedar shutters on the windows across the front. So the two ties in together, it's gonna look amazing.
I mean, just passing by the Moody's home, just seeing the progress is just from the outside, it's amazing.
We're gonna get rid of the ridiculous steel columns in the carport of Casey and Ray's house. Hello!
Hey, how's it going?
Y'all are just in time to get in on this.
Yay.
Good deal.
I love it. Oh, come on, Casey.
There you go. There you
Give
go.
it the beat. We'll rip off the flowery pieces and build some wood columns that will wrap around the steel support structure, leave the actual structural steel, and get these things nailed on. This is gonna be the first time as a charm, Ray. You
right.
watch.
Perfect.
Look at that. I love it. We have an amazing mural going on. Erin has created this just incredible design. The high school is working on implementing that design. To see these future leaders literally putting their stamp on their town, something that they can show their kids, that's powerful.
Years from now, your kids could be here and you could say, I did this. I was glad to do it.
I don't think I've gone outside of your lines one time.
I think they're doing really good.
My kids have been working really hard on it. I can't think of a better team to put this mural up on the wall.
Quartz countertops. Not only are they really pretty, but they're durable,
Super durable.
especially because the Moody's have so many kids. Green cabinets and gold hardware. It's gorgeous. Hey, hello! Hey!
To work with you guys on the redemption of Wetumpka, it's been such a great experience. We've loved it, loved it.
Yeah, we knew you guys would be on board with it and that you would get it.
I can't wait to see 5 years down the road how
Yeah.
this impacts so many lives, you guys. It's amazing.
It's amazing different.
Good.
It's awesome.
We decided to come in with cedar shakes that would coordinate with your new functioning shutters which are like my favorite detail in a house.
I'm ready to go to the inside too.
Do you want to go see the inside?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's go in.
The columns
Look
look
at
so
these
good.
columns.
Rock solid.
That is a good column. You'll be parking your cars here,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
if you wanted to do this,
No, absolutely. That's awesome.
But this is where the juicy stuff is.
That's right.
look at this.
Go!
Oh my goodness.
This is awesome.
This is amazing. It's not a dark dungeon anymore.
Awesome.
Again, we want to give you stuff that would last. Quartz, you can't stain it, you can't scar it. This stuff is really tough. And we continued this durable flooring from the living room all the way into the kitchen. And no more pantry storage in your living room.
No.
Because you have plenty of room over here.
The boys are gonna love this.
This way they can be, you know, in here with you.
Having the space where I can be involved while they're coloring, it's just awesome.
This is awesome.
They're gonna love this.
Yeah, this is gonna be awesome.
Ferg's gonna have his drawers under the bed.
With the captain's bed.
My family moved a lot, and this was really special for me because I have a cowboy boot box that I've had since I was a kid. I think this will be great. They can just put their stuff under there.
Perfect.
We did the chalkboards. You can
Oh,
change
cool.
them out for the kids.
Well, the boys are gonna love it. I mean, they're gonna be super excited to come in here. Heck, I'm excited. I want to sleep in here.
Yeah, come hang out with them.
It looks so great, and I mean, the way I felt when I walk in the room, I mean, I can just imagine our kids, all of our kids that get to stay with us.
And I hope that every child who comes through your house feels like this is my safe and comforting spot.
Yeah, absolutely.
I think so too.